What's up, guys? It's your boy, back at you with another video, you get me? Basically, I just wanted to quickly tune in, because I'm in a bit of a, not a pickle, I'm in kind of limbo at the minute. So basically, for anyone who didn't see the last video, or any of my videos, this channel is basically me trying to resell my way to some sort of financial freedom. Selling things on eBay, you get me? Chasing something, trying to escape, you get me? Basically, I just keep fucking up this plan. That's what's been happening on this channel, but I've kind of fine-tuned it down to the reason this is happening because I haven't got a job and I keep spending all the eBay money that I earn to just not die. Like, straight up, you get me? Gas and electric, food, fucking school trips, school shoes, school uniform for the kids. But anyway, you guys know how it is. So basically, I found myself a full-time job-ish, 30 hours a week, and that was in the last video. It was like a week ago, so I'm like, I finished like I started last Friday, today's Friday, so this will be like my first week completed in this job. We get paid monthly, we get paid at the end of every month. We don't have to work a month in hand, thank the Lord, because I would have missed Christmas, you get me? So, long story short, I'm in limbo until I receive this first paycheck. It's 6 hours a day, and I know I'm giving you guys a lot of detail, but I'm just trying to document everything, so if I ever fucking make it out, at least it's here, you get me? So it's 6 hours a day, minimum wage. It'll work out about £1,300 a month, you get me? Which is enough, because that £1,300 a month would usually be going straight out of my eBay account. So I'm just gonna keep this job. I've got to keep a job. Now the problem I've had for like ever is I can't keep a job. Like, I just burn out or get fired, or the longest job I ever had was like 3 years. A bit longer than 3 years, but that's because my mum was the manager, I'll be honest with you. I've had other jobs. I think the longest job other than that I've had is like 2 years. But like, as I'm getting older, like, the jobs are getting shitter, and I'm struggling to like survive these jobs even more. When I was younger, I had that young energy, and some of the jobs I had weren't half bad. That job that I had for a couple of years, I was like, I was basically a door-to-door salesman selling like insulation, and it wasn't selling; it was giving it away for free. So I was just running around the streets with the man them, selling insulation for free, basically. And but that job was like many years ago, like when my first son was born, like 2013. It's like 9 years ago, you get me? So basically most of my life I've been struggling to hold down any decent job. And when I do have these jobs, it's like my mindset isn't in the position that it is right at this moment in time, which is we're getting money to get out, you get me? So I'm going to try and film every day from now up until when I get paid, and then we're going to just keep filming, and hopefully we can just skyrocket this thing, because I'm really like antsy right now to get going. I just want to get going. I want to like make some eBay sales after the end of this month and see the money like start to compile in one bank account, and that will give me like hope, because I've been struggling this month. Like, I've been struggling for a while because there's no money coming in, but it makes it harder like from when I get a job to when I get paid. That first little bit is hard, man, you get me? Because I'm working and still doing, well, I'm not even doing eBay because like I'm a little bit like it's kind of pointless, you get me? Like, I'm making a few sales, like just enough to fucking stop us like running out of gas and electric, but I ain't got no goals this month. I'm just kind of literally just like all the stuff I bought from the car boot over the last week just kind of sat there. I ain't been to the car boot this week. But come the end of this month, that'll be when I'm just going to go for it. So yeah, I just wanted to tune in for this video, guys, update you on what's happening, because things are happening slowly. And but once like this period's over, which it's going to feel like a long time, but in the grand scheme of things, when I look back at how much time has passed since beginning this journey, this ain't nothing. So I just need to keep my head in the game, stay straight. And other than that, I appreciate anyone who's rolled through, like, just anyone who's watched any of these videos. I appreciate it. Like the video, subscribe. I appreciate it because it's mostly just watching me fail. So if anyone's tuned in for that, the early videos back when I first started like really going at eBay was exciting because I was making a lot of money. I was smashing it, but like I got sick of like making money to like give it to fucking Tesco's and Aldi, you get me? So if it seems a bit like my energy's down at the minute, that's why, you guys, because I don't want to give all my money to Tesco's and Aldi, to be honest with you. I'll give like the slave money to Tesco's and Aldi, and then all my hard-earned cash that I make staying put, you get me? So other than that, guys, I'm gonna get going, so I've got work in like an hour and a half actually. So I just wanted to do, I was gonna do one listing, but part of me's like, fuck it, just sit here, you get me? So other than that, guys, I'll see you in the next one, you know what I mean? And we out. My son's out the front skateboarding at the minute because I had a deep conversation with him talking about spending too much time sat on the Xbox. He needs to he needs to learn how to learn. That's what I told him, because when it comes to learning new stuff with my son, he doesn't want to do it. You'll like try not to learn things unless like he really wants to do. So it's holding him back basically. He's only 11. I've told him your like refusal to learn new things will hold you back in life, and I told him it's very important to start to learn things and then enjoy to learn, because if you can't enjoy to learn and you don't know how to force yourself how to learn something new, then like I tell him realistically, have a look at your dad, son, you get me? And I'm like, do you want to like struggle like me? And I enjoy learning, I try to learn, and I'm struggling to break free. So if I fail and then you refuse to learn, then the whole generation of our family's fucked, because I can't do it, you can't do it. One of us we all have to put in some sort of effort. I have to improve our lives, you have to improve your own life, and that's how I talk to him. And to be fair, he's out there on his skateboard now learning. And I just explained it to him as like, the more knowledge you have, the more things you can do. If you can do some cool stuff on the skateboard, I don't know. If you he does a lot of stuff. Learn a new trick in football, then that's going to improve your football. He does a little bit of YouTube. If you push yourself on YouTube and learn some new transitions, learn how to do different stuff, you just have to learn, you know what I mean? Just keep learning. So I told him, majority of his day from now on needs to be directed towards learning. And I use that word learning because that's really what it is. It's not like I'm saying, go out there and do whatever. I'm telling you to go and learn something new and keep learning something new all the time. So other than that, guys, I appreciate you all. I'll see you guys in the next one. You know what I mean? And we out.